Hello everyone, my name is Iskander. In this demo video, I will show how the cluster analysis package can be used to predict field values and find similar records in Salesforce. In this example, we will be predicting news articles categories. I already created BBC text custom object and imported about 2000 historical records from a CSV file. The custom object has two fields, text and category. First, we need to create a prediction cluster model. On the new model page, I will choose BBC text custom object and then select category and text custom fields and click next. On the next screen, I will configure my cluster model. I will set prediction field type for the category field because we want to predict values on this field. The field type for text field was set automatically to long text. I will enter the model name, set the number of clusters to 20, and save the model. Once the model is saved, we need to run it to start the clustering and training processes. To do this, I will click the Run Model button, leave all parameters by default, and click Run. A new cluster job record will be created. The clustering takes about 2 to 3 hours for long text models. Once the cluster job is completed, the UI will display 20 clusters with a number of records in each of them. The model can now be used to make predictions. To display predictions, we need to add a couple of managed Lightning components on the BBC News record details page. To do this, I will create a new Lightning record page. Let's go to Setup Object Manager, find BBC News custom object, and go to Lightning record pages. I will click New to create a new Lightning record page. Select record pages here, enter the record page name, then choose BBC News custom object in the list here. On the next screen, I will choose any page template and click Finish. In the page designer, I will put highlights component to the top of the page and then put record details on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I want to show my predictions and similar records. To display predictions, I will take the cluster predict result component provided by the cluster analysis managed package. This component has one required parameter, cluster model or job ID. I will enter the name of the completed BBC News model. To display similar news articles, I will use the cluster nearest neighbors component and enter the same BBC News model name. After this, I need to save and activate my record page. After the record page is activated, we can open any existing BBC News record. The predicted category and similar news records will be displayed on the record page. Let's open any existing sports news article. We can see that the two components which we added were rendered and started calculating the category prediction and similar records. The calculation takes about 30 to 40 seconds on average, depending on the Salesforce server workload. When calculations are finished, we can see that the article was correctly classified as sport, and the nearest neighbor components is displaying similar sports news. Now let's create a new record and check if it will be classified correctly. We will go to BBC website and take the content from today's sports news article. Let's take this article about Chelsea Soccer Club coach, copy its content and paste it into our new record here. I will enter a record name and send the category to sport for now, and we will see how it will be calculated. After save, the category will be predicted as sport, and similar news about soccer and Chelsea Soccer Club will be displayed here. Thank you for watching this demo video. Please download the cluster analysis package from the Salesforce App Exchange.